Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you guys how can you find your QR code on Shein-Shopping online app. In order to find your QR code on Shein-Shopping online app, you could follow these steps. So it's a very simple procedure. All you have to do is make sure to install the application on your device and that you've also updated to the latest version. After which, go and log into your Shein application, and this is going to directly take you to the home page. Then you want to click the initials from a bottom right hand side corner of your screen or tap the me button. As soon as you do that, you can see right on top there's a gear icon, and just next to it there's this square icon. Now this is actually going to help you out to scan the QR code, and you could actually go ahead and scan it. So now this is not what we are looking for. We are actually looking for how can you find your QR code, right? So you want to go to the gear icon here, and then you want to go ahead and click on the initials or your username. You could see right on top, and there you have the QR code right next to the name. So if you click on this QR code icon, and then you could find my QR code right over here, and this is how you find your QR code on the Shein-Shopping online app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.